Pragmatist mean to say that those who believe in practical, someone believe in theory, something written in theory, they follow. Those who believe in practical, those who believe in real situation, we call pragmatists. So pragmatists think that time, development and evolution is the reason to change human behavior and experience. Now we have one definition is occupational genesis. Occupational genesis describe the egocentric elements. The one is egocentric elements, which is relate with our mind and body. Second is exocentric element. Exocentric element, which is directly attached with time and space. Third one is consensual elements. Consensual element, social factors such as relationship, language, role and regulation. This occupational theory is interlinked with these three concepts. The one is egocentric element, which directly link with our mind and body. Second is exocentric element, which is time and space. And third one is consensual elements, social factors such as relationships, language, etc. You are going to perform some task. You need your mind, you need your body. So they will work together. When the mind is occupied, the body performed. Suppose someone told you that go and play badminton. So which part of your body act first? Is it your body or is it your mind? First mind and then body. Why? Because to play badminton, you need to know rules and regulation, right? So rules and regulation, your mind will work first. Mind start analyzing, oh, this one is the rule, I need to stay here, I need to stand here, I need badminton, I need all that accessory. Later on your body will follow your mind. When the mind is occupied, the body perform. So when your mind is occupied, your body perform. So this is all about egocentric. Now second, to occupy representing the exocentric aspect. When engaged in task, one occupies space, occupies time, one is interact with these elements of the environment. Suppose you are going to play badminton. So what you are doing there? You are occupying space also. You are using time, right? And you are interacting with these elements of the environment. So mean you are directly linked with exocentric. Did you get my point? Third one, occupation representing the consensual aspect. This third aspect is often described in terms of vocation or work. Vocation or work. What also represent interactive play or other endeavors in which one collaborate, compete or otherwise engage with or for other in the society. Responsible behaviors. Play-based therapy, activity group process, work hardening, sheltered sheltered workshops and homemaking training. These are all aspects of occupational therapy practice falls under this consensual aspects, because you are directly linked with some kind. If suppose if you are working in somewhere relation, how relation? My colleague, my boss, my junior, my senior. If you are working in society, oh, he's my uncle, he's my neighbor, he's my younger brother, he's my older brother. Relation. If you are interacting in society. So this is how these three concepts will directly attach with our in our daily routine. So this is all about introduction of occupational therapy or activity of occupational therapy.